student, today my topic is elimination reactions, that is preparation of alkene. When haloalkane are heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, that is KOH, they undergo elimination reaction by hydrogen halide to form a alkenes like this. This is the alpha carbon because Br attached to it. That is why when any functional group attached to the straight chain, then that carbon become alpha carbon. So this is the alpha carbon and this is the beta carbon. When they both react with each other, then they form alkene. So here the double bond form after removal the Br, that is bromine. Such reaction involve the removal of hydrogen and halogen atom to form haloalkane. These reaction also known as dehydrohalogenation reaction because water and halogen both removed from the compound. So the beta hydrogen get removed by the reaction also known as beta elimination reaction because beta hydrogen get removed from the hydrocarbon. So this is also known as beta elimination reaction. Says-Jeff rules say that when the haloalkane can undergo dehydrohalogenation, that is removal of hydrogen and halogen both together in two different ways to form two different alkenes, and the alkenes that predominates is most substituted one, that is the one which carries the greater number of alkyl group attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom, such as this is the chlorobutane, 2-chlorobutane, because chloro is attached to the second position of the carbon. When this get reacted with KOH, then they form two compound hydrocarbon. This is the major form and this is the minor form. This is the major form because the carbon which attached to the double bond have more number of alkyl group. That is both of it more number of two number of alkyl group. Whereas here only double bond attached to one alkyl group. So the majority of the compound is depend on the majority of the alkyl group attached to the double bond. Here minority is depend on the because alkyl group is minor in this case. That is why it is 20% and this is formed 80%. So let us consider the dehydrohalogenation of a bromoethane, that is primary, and 2-bromopropane, that is secondary, and second bromomethyl propane, that is tertiary. So in case of bromoethane, that is primary, when bromoethane get reacted with KOH, it remove HBr, that is dehydrohalogenation. So double bond formed between alkene, and this is the less stable because it attached to the less alkyl group. Now come to the second condition, that is 2-bromopropane. Here 3 carbon is there and second position carries bromide. So when KOH reacted with this compound, it again remove HBr, that is dehydrohalogenation get formed, and it is more stable because it has more alkyl group. Now third condition, 2-bromo 2-methyl propane, that is tertiary. Here carbon atom attached to the 3 alkyl group. So when KOH react with it and remove HBr, it forms double bond and it contain more alkyl group. This carbon contain more alkyl group. Here also alkyl group is there, here also alkyl group is there, and here also alkyl group is there. So it is most stable because the carbon which carry double bond attached to the more alkyl group. So Says-Jeff rule say this, that stated this, that the carbon which get more alkyl group is more stable and carried double bond with it. So here alkene with greater number of alkyl group at doubly bonded carbon atom is preferred product. This is more preferred product. This implies that more substituted alkene is more stable and is formed faster. Therefore, the alkyl halide which gives a more stable alkene must undergo dehydrohalogenation faster as compared to the one which gives the less stable alkene. Now next topic is reduction reaction, that is preparation of alkanes. It involves following method. First method is reduction of H2 in the presence of a metal catalyst. It reduced the metal catalyst like Ni, platinum, platinum and give alkane. So in this place this is the catalyst which is on the arrow, and at 525 Kelvin when this bromo ethane react with H2, they form ethane because dehydrohalogenation is formed. Again in this reaction, this is bromopropane, same process will take place. Now next is reduction with zinc copper couple and ethyl alcohol. So this is the zinc copper couple. When it get reacted with ethyl alcohol, the ethyl alcohol is 95% present in the solution and they form zinc ethoxide with release of 2 hydrogen atom. When this bromoethane get reacted with 2 hydrogen atom, then it forms alkane with HBr as a byproduct. Now next is reduction with the HI in the presence of red phosphorus. So alkyl iodide reduced to alkane by heating them with a hydroxyl acid in the presence of red phosphorus at 430 Kelvin. For example, this is the iodoethane, and when it get react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus as a catalyst at 430 Kelvin, then it forms alkane and I2 as a byproduct. So reduction also carries out by the other reduction agent, that is zinc HCl, tin HCl and LiAlH4. So my question is for today, what is elimination reaction and reduction reaction? Thank you.